Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is Zjakraj here. Welcome to another Christmas special episode. Let me see what we got going on here. Unfortunately, the recording bar is covering a good deal of my screen.
Your turn, Commander.
So I can't really tell what's going on that much. Frick.
Relax and find your center.
And welcome, another episode of Moonbase Commander after a long time. I think last time around I did a 3v1. Though, I'm not sure. Let's see.
Your turn, Commander.
Just enjoying Tank 7 while I'm doing this.
Your turn.
I mean, it's not the tastiest thing in the world, but hey.
This round is over, Commander.
It was something there to drink at the party, Christmas Eve party, so. Which I am recording this on Christmas Eve, so.
Your move, Commander.
Okay, I can just use it. Jeez. That's a bit too far.
Your turn, Commander.
Oh, perfect.
Your turn.
Yeah, let's give him the old mind treatment.
Your move, Commander.
It is my move. Ain't it?
Your turn.
It's been so long since I've done this.
Round over, Commander.
Elgato.
Your turn, Commander.
The cat.
Your move, Commander. Your turn, Commander.
Wait, how close is he? Oh, he's not that close. Let's see. It's weird playing this without music. Now, of course, I'm playing it. Oh,
Commander, be careful.
that is not what I meant to do.
Your turn. Your turn, Commander.
What was I trying to do?
Your move, Commander. Your turn. This round is over, Commander. Your move, Commander.
Aeoni may not be the brightest bulb. But he is rather scary because, you know, he oh, finished my thought earlier. So frick.
Continue like this. Disciplinary action
It will be necessary. Yeah, I know. Whatchamacallit?
Your turn.
I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be adding music, like more Mannheim-Steamroller music. The stuff that I didn't use for the
Round over. Your turn, Commander.
the Metroid Prime Hunters Christmas special. And also, that was really kind of close. Oh my gosh. And also what I was gonna say was, like, Aoni may not be the brightest bulb, but
Your move, Commander.
he will stop whatever he's doing. Like the moment you're like you get an energy pool, because Aoni is an energy miser.
This round is over, Commander.
Brutakis is on the move. Yes, sir.
Your turn.
So, just because of that,
Directly on the energy pool. Good work.
because of that trait on, like, Aoni's part, like, the fact that he'll basically just stop whatever he's doing and head for you
Round
if you
over,
start
Commander.
collecting energy, makes him, kind of scary, you know? Jeez, Elgato, you're not doing so hot.
Your move, Commander. Your turn.
You better start investing in more, anti-airs, what do you think?
Your turn, Commander.
Let's go ahead and skip.
This round is over, Commander.
So it is.
Your move, Commander. Direct hit on the energy pool. You will get maximum energy from it now.
Now, Elgato,
Your turn, Commander.
what makes him potentially scarier than Brutakis? Like, Brutakis is about as, like, simple. Like, Brutakis is pretty simple. But he's dangerous because of that simplicity, in that he'll go right for you and he'll never miss, basically.
Your turn.
The brutal tactician. You know what? I'm going to... Yeah. Just so I can talk more. Elgato is a bit scary and sometimes more dangerous than Brutakis, because Brutakis, although he never misses, like I said, he's simpler in nature, and so he's more predictable. Elgato isn't always predictable. So that's what makes him dangerous. Afric. Which is why he's called the cat. Elgatos. Because you don't really know what he's gonna do. All the time. Oh, it'll be my turn. Next time around. Nice. Ayo. And in case anybody is wondering, yes, they're on the team. Oh. Getting close, are we? How about that? All right. Uh-oh. Whoa, drop in performance. What the hey? Hello. What can I do for you? He thinks I should invest in one of those. It's a bit of a shame that the AI will never use viruses. Nope. Excuse me? That's not what I was aiming for, but hey, I'll take it. Ah, shoot. It's the battle of the offenses. That should be enough, right? Well, hey. I'm only really good with like offenses if I'm using like clusters or missiles, you know. Come on, use a bomb, I dare you. Now I know darn well that's not what you're gonna do, but is this close enough, you think? Well, let's test the missile first. Ah, it's too far. He's getting closer. Closer, closer, closer. Well, first... see if I can do any damage over here. Well, hey, took out a bridge. Okay. Well, in that case... that maybe aimed properly. Yeah, that'll do it. I think so. Got it! It's always so satisfying to watch. Okay. Excuse you? Alright. Foist? Alright. Now I'll set him back for a bit. Oh no, you're still stubborn. Okay, that's the main hub. For those who didn't read the description for the Metroid Prime Hunters Christmas special of 2023. So, thing is, okay, so I had wanted to make it like a team battle for nodes and stuff so that I could play as Trace and that I could make him on the green team, and then that way he looks super festive and stuff because, you know, he'll be green, but then on top of that he'll like with the Imperialist, his arm cannon will be green. That could be a problem. That might have not been a good idea. Oh, sorry. Well, I regret that. Whoops. Well done, well done, Aoni. Well done. Sorry. Pardon my French. I'll probably remember to, bleep that. But, like, you know, with Traces, like, he'll be green, but then with the Imperialist, he'll have red lights. So he'll look extra festive and stuff, right? The problem was, I wanted to have at least 3 of the more intense, renditions, Christmas Carol renditions by Mannheim-Steamroller. And so I was dealing with this issue of, or this conundrum of, like, it being too easy and therefore taking too short for that, or making it too difficult for myself and like turning it into like an impossible order, basically, or a tall order. And how I was making it too easy was like just having a teammate at all became out of the question. So I had to make it a 2v1. And that became problematic, of course, because, well, you know, if it's 2v1, then, you know, they can be in 2 places at the same time, or 2 different places at the same time, and I can't, and the whole idea is to capture nodes to get points. However, I noticed this quirk in the AI's programming. What was that, Aoni? And that was that that the AI apparently, at least 2-star AI, are designed to, with the exception of the nodes at the beginning of the match, the nodes, or the AI is geared to only go after an enemy's node. So I was able to use that to curb their movements. And part of why that became an issue was because if if you have multiple nodes and you're capturing them, if you're capturing multiple nodes, well then that means that's more targets that you're giving the AI. And so with it being 2v1, that becomes more and more detrimental over time, because now they are getting the point bonuses and you can't keep up because there are two of them and you're just one. So you can see the problem of me collecting, capturing 3 nodes at a time instead of just sticking with 2, where with 2 I can have my own and then I can go after theirs, and then when you're capturing a player's node or a team's node, their points stop, or if that's their only node, that is. So that was how I was able to keep their points at bay for a good while. And then once I got to a point where I'm like, okay, well now victory is more or less assured, that is when I started going after the other nodes. To speed up the match. Yeah. Because at the end, I was getting they started getting bonuses and I was getting bonuses. You get the point. Anyway, that took a very long time for me to say. But yeah, so that's how I was able to solve that. I think Bertakis has basically given up trying to collect energy and has just forfeited his turns to just use to just unleash, launch, no, that's not what I meant to launch. Gosh darn it. He's just decided to stick with crawlers. I think that's what they're called. Okay. Heard that. I mean, if he keeps doing that, then, keep things simpler. Oh, shoot. Go on, launch another. Oh, hey. Changed his mind. Alright, well. In that case, then I wish for half of my business to be destroyed. No, oh, that's not the one I thought I was doing, but hey, it still works. Yeah, it sure has been a while since I've done this. Ah, shoot. Actually, let's go ahead and save that energy so that I can get more of that. Go full 3 o'clock. Don't even think about it. That wasn't the move I thought you were gonna do. Bruh. Big bruh moment. Jeez, Berdogus. Fun fact for those who don't know. Oh, that's not what he was aiming at all. Right. Keep him nice and distracted. Okay, well, if he's gonna be that dumb about it, or if he's gonna choose to use those kinds of resources. See how you like it. Now that wasn't nearly as detrimental as that time You got a nice network over here. Be a shame if somebody blew it up. Wrong one. Oh, shoot. Man. Now I can only put one more. Oh well. That's alright. You know, I can just keep this offense just aimed in this direction. And, yeah, Bob's your uncle. We can keep doing this all day if you want. I wonder if they ever skip their turns to save energy. That'd be an interesting thing to look into. Perfect. Noise. First of all, rude. Second of all, you're not. You ain't staying there. Nope. Ain't gonna happen, Buster. Ah, shit. Well, lucky for you, I can't aim. Or I just don't know the... You know. Can you believe it? That these are the same people who make Puck Who Goes to the Moon and all that good stuff? Well, sort of. I mean, you know, the same mother company, Humongous Entertainment. But Infogrames, or whatever it's called. Those are the developers, or the co-developers. Alright, I think it's time to get on the move. On second thought, oh, he's gonna hate me for that. This is so sad. You know, Brutalgus, I think you need to switch your tactics. Oh, that wasn't his, Right, that is his hub. No, you great fool. Frick. That might be close enough, though. I think it is close enough, actually. Yeah, that's the way to go. All right. Oh, brother. Brutalgus, I'm coming for you. Stop that. Get some help. Deuces! Okay. Yeah, my accuracy wasn't that good. Ironically, Ione got the highest accuracy out of everybody. Oh well. Well, thank you all so much for watching. As always, God bless, and I hope to see you next time. And Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. Ciao!